Good morning, my dear children. Wishing you a happy and wonderful day. I am your Prerna ma'am. Children, in your previous math sessions, you have done addition and subtraction sums in your classwork book. Today we will do the revision of those sums in the notebook. So let's start the session. Addition. Addition is adding of two or more numbers. It is represented by plus sign. When we do addition, the number always increases. Subtraction. Subtraction means to take away or to remove. It is represented by minus sign. When we do subtraction, the number always decreases. Let's write today's date. Today's date is 10.3.21. Now we have to write the heading. Heading is mixed sums because today we will do addition and subtraction sums together. So first we will write capital M. Then I, X, E, D mixed. Then leave one finger space. Capital S, U, M, S. Sums. Children, first we will write all the sums and then we will solve them. So first here we have to make two dots, and under this second dot we'll write capital T for tens, and in next box we have to write capital O for ones. After this O we'll make three dots, 1, 2, 3. Again we have to write capital T for tens and capital O for ones. Again three dots. Again capital T for tens and capital O for ones. Now we have to write the sums. Under this O, first we'll write 8 and then 1. And then we'll draw two lines. And here we'll make a sign of addition. Under this O, we'll write number 3, and under 3 we'll write number 5. Then two lines, and now sign of addition. Under this O we'll write number 7, and under 7 we'll write number 2. Again two lines, but this time we'll make the sign of subtraction. Now, after this first sum, we have to make three dots. 1, 2, 3. And again we'll write capital T and capital O. Again here we'll make three dots and write capital T and capital O. Again three dots, capital T and capital O. Now we'll write the sum under O, means under ones. Under O, first we'll write 1, and under 1 we'll write number 3. Then two lines and sign of addition. Under this ones we'll write number 6, and under 6 we'll write number 3. Then two lines and sign of subtraction. Under this ones we'll write number 9. Under 9 we'll write number 8. Two lines and sign of subtraction. Under this sum, again we'll draw three dots and then write T for tens and O for ones. Again 3 dots. T for tens, O for ones. Again 3 dots. T for tens and O for ones. Now we'll write the sums. Under this ones, we'll write number 5, and under 5, we'll write number 2. Then again 2 lines, and here we'll make the sign of addition. Under this ones, we'll write number 2 and then 0. 2 lines and sign of subtraction. Under this ones, we'll write number 4. Under 4, we'll write number 2. Then 2 lines and sign of addition. Now we have written all the sums. Let's solve them. Let's solve the first sum. First we have to see the sign. Here we can see the sign of addition. In addition sums, we always keep the bigger number in our head and smaller number in our fingers. So here the bigger number is 8. So we keep 8 in our head and the smaller number is 1. So we'll keep 1 in our finger. 8 in our head. After 8, we have to count the fingers. After 8, there is 1 finger. So the answer is 9. So we'll write here 9. Now next sum. First we have to see the sign. This is the sign of addition. So we'll keep bigger number, which is 5, in our head and smaller number, which is 3, in our fingers. So 5 in our head. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Now next sum. In next sum, first we have to see the sign. This is the sign of subtraction. In subtraction, we always keep the smaller number in our head and count till bigger number. Here the smaller number is 2 and the bigger number is 7. So we'll keep 2 in our head and count till 7. 2 in our head. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Now next sum. First we have to see the sign. This is the sign of addition. So which number we have to keep in our head? Yes, we have to keep the bigger number in our head. So we'll keep this 3 in our head and we'll take out the fingers for smaller number, which is 1. So 3 in our head. After 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Now next sum. First we have to see the sign. This is the sign of subtraction. In subtraction sums, we always keep the smaller number in our head. So we'll keep the 3 in our head and count till 6. 3 in our head. After 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Now next sum. Next sum is of subtraction. So in subtraction we have to keep smaller number in our head. Which is the smaller number? Yes, 8 is the smaller number. So we'll keep 8 in our head and we have to count till 9. 8 in our head. After 8, 9. How many fingers are there? Only one finger. So the answer is 1. Now, next sum. First we have to see the sign. This is the sign of addition. In addition, we always keep the bigger number in our head. Which is the bigger number? Yes, 5 is the bigger number. So we'll keep 5 in our head. And which number we have to keep in our fingers? Yes, we have to keep the smaller number in our fingers, which is 2. So we'll keep 2 in our fingers, 5 in our head and 2 in our fingers. So after 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Now next sum. This is the sign of subtraction. In subtraction sums, we always keep the smaller number in our head. Which is the smaller number? It is 0. We have to keep 0 in our head and count till bigger number, which is 2. So we'll keep 0 in our head and count till 2. So 0 in our head. After 0, 1, 2. How many fingers are there? 1, 2. So the answer is 2. Now next sum. Here we can see the sign of addition. In addition sums, we always keep the bigger number in our head. So we'll keep 4 in our head and keep the smaller number in our fingers. So we'll keep this 2 in our fingers. So 4 in our head. After 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Keep practicing addition and subtraction sums. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.